Hello, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Well, today I'm just sharing with you guys that product I told you that I was going to cook the brisket and some food in. This is it. We got a KALORIK electric oven. And today, my husband wants us to rotisserie a chicken. You can see the, what should I call it? Wait a minute. The rotisserie split. I have it sitting in here. It took me a minute to figure this out for some reason. I know why it took me a minute, because I had left the rod in the box, and I was trying to wonder. I said, well, how the heck this chicken gonna turn? I don't got the rod. And lucky for me, I didn't throw that box away, because I didn't get the rod. This centerpiece y'all looking at, you see the stabbing part and then that little rod. Probably it's difficult to see. Let me back up. That little line, that's the rod that goes through the chicken or whatever you're gonna rotisserie. But yeah, we're gonna try this oven out. And I also wanted this oven because not only because of the rotisserie and the quick cooking of steaks, but also it's a dehydrator. So that's what I like about it too. And all of these up here are the different well, it shows you the temperature and the minutes of the oven and stuff, and the light goes off automatically, as it just did. Surely did. Let me see, close it up. Oh, I had to close the door and open the door back up. Like, this is the first time me trying this out, so when I get the chicken started and stuff, I'll just come back and let y'all see. Alright. Okay, I have the half a chicken in this KALORIK electric oven rotisserie. I had a big old chicken and I had to cut it in half because it was too big. So I see that this thing will probably only be needing medium or small, probably small sized chickens and Cornish hens, and I'm going to try a brisket in here too. So when it's done, I'll come back and show the results. I guess you guys can see it turning in there. That's a half of a seasoned chicken. Be back. People, I had this chicken in there rotisserie for about 40 minutes. It reached a temperature of 166, which is the temperature that means the chicken is done. The only thing about this, I think I would have to leave it in there longer for it to brown, or put it on a brown setting in this oven. But since this is my first time, I have to work with this oven. But it's very tasty and it's done. And I got some French fries in there now, some fries in there. But one thing, that drip pan, all that grease on there, cooking on there, is a big job to clean all that up. I think it don't want you to put foil on it, but I'm not really sure because it's getting messed up without foil on it. I think that would be a better idea. I'm gonna have to do some more reading because I don't want to tear the thing up, but it is that drip pan does get messy. But other than that, it's okay. But I have to keep working with it because this is my first day cooking with this KALORIK electric oven, dehydrator, air frying, bacon, oven, pizza, all kind of stuff, oven. But I'll show y'all whenever I cook in here the little recipes. But this is the little chicken. Bye. People, the fries are turning out great. These are fresh, white, rusted potatoes that I put in here. And I did coat mine with just a little bit of olive oil to put some garlic powder on there. But they actually have brown. Can you guys see this? It really browns the potatoes. I'm enjoying this. I really like it. The KALORIK electric oven. I'm using the air fryer to cook the potatoes. Even though I did add on here, let me see, I added, I think it's 12 I added 10 more minutes. But anyway, this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.